Hi, we're looking at a CASIO AMW320 watch. It's a all black diver's watch with a Garmin yellow silicone band, and it's very, very comfortable. Easy to put on and take off. It's got the little, here I'll show it to you. It's got the little tab in here, right there. And that locks in to your band, so that is nice and secure. It's a wider band, and it's very, very comfortable. This is an analog digital watch, and right now it's set to date. The time is running now. I just pushed the crown in. Now let's set it to, there is the alarm, the time that the calendar is set to, stopwatch, and then the dual time, and then the date again. Very simple to operate, very accurate, a very wonderful watch, beautiful looking. It's got the rotating bezel, goes both ways. And it turns, it's got a very nice, good feeling click to it. Very clean and in super excellent shape. I hope you like it. I sure do.